What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. It is April 19th, 2022, just for reference, and I was asked to give my impression on this article, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. So, oh, all right, there we go. All right, so GPU mining isn't coming back anytime soon. The NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti generates only $2 per day. That's the title here, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll dive right into it. There have been reports from multiple outlets stating that GPU mining might make a comeback. These primarily stem from a few recent announcements. Firstly, miners have been able to get around the LHR limitations on NVIDIA's RTX 30 series GPUs almost completely. Second, the Ethereum 2.0 merger to a proof of stake model has been delayed by another couple of months to the third quarter of 2022. Although these fears are legitimate, there is very little chance of GPU mining making a comeback. For starters, the Ethereum mining difficulty is at an all-time high. For example, an RTX 3080 Ti LHR generates just over $2 a day, which means you'll be needing nearly 2 years just to break even. That is, if you manage to buy a card at MSRP, and that's for one of the best mining GPUs out there. All right, hold on. Let's pause here. So they're rating the RTX 3080 Ti as one of the best mining GPUs out there. Man, I had no idea. Silly me. Well, this article's talking like mining's already died and it's trying to make a comeback. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this, you already know mining isn't even, like, maybe it took a nap on the couch, but she got back up. She went to dinner and slammed a margarita and then like a vodka and Coke. You know what I'm saying? So mining is nowhere near dead. And it doesn't have to make a return because it never left. Anyway, we'll continue onwards. Secondly, GPU supply and prices from both NVIDIA and AMD is improving by leaps and bounds, so much so that analysts have degraded the chipmaker's stock, fearing another crypto hangover due to excessive channel inventory. Thirdly, as vendors brace for the launch of the next-gen GeForce RTX 4000 and Radeon RX 7000 GPUs, we'll see even more SKUs hit the market. Chances are that these new graphics cards will come with an anti-mining measures as well, further discouraging GPU mining. Overall, it looks like cryptocurrency mining won't be making a comeback anytime soon. This was posted by, I can't even pronounce his name. I'm sorry, man. Computer hardware enthusiast, engineering dropout, and PC gamer, former co-founder of Tequila, a fairly successful tech outlet. Well, Bud, if you could get somebody on the GPU mining side of things to help you with this article, you can always reach out to me, because the fact that you put the Ethereum difficulty in here and shows that it's growing daily would kind of explain that, like, it ain't slowing down. It's still going to grow. People are still going to mine Ethereum until the day they can't mine Ethereum. The fact that there are cards available in the inventory is a bit miscued. The cards that are available are not necessarily the best cards for mining on. It's your LHR cards. So NVIDIA kind of shot themselves in the foot, because I guarantee everybody watching this video right now, if you could go buy a non-LHR 3080, 3070, 3060 Ti, non-LHR, brand new, for the prices that they're selling them for right now, they'd still be sold out. So the fact that they put the LHR on them, the miners aren't stopping. They're just getting a little picky. Inventory's been able to start to build up because we don't want the shitty LHR cards. Oh, man. I just said the S word. Oh, YouTube got me there. But yeah, I see articles like this, and it's just a grab at a title. And the only people that will believe this article are the people that have nothing to do with cryptocurrency mining. Referencing a 3080 Ti as one of the best cryptocurrency mining cards is just, no, not at all. Yeah. Let's pop in a 3080 Ti. I'm just curious what it does right now. It says $2 a day. Let's see. Looks like before power $3.42 a day, after power $2.75 a day. $2 and $2.75. That's a, 25-30% parity. That's a little bit different, you know. But I mean, if you're just referencing like whole dollar amounts, I get it. You could say that it's making $3 a day if you're not talking about power, because to assume somebody has like 10 cents per kilowatt is a bit, you know, much. Most people that are mining, if you're only mining on one card, a lot of people are mining on free power, which you guys are lucky. I wish I was doing that. But yeah, so. Oh, and then just to address one thing down at the bottom where they're talking about, oh, you know, new cards are going to come with like extra mining limiters and to discourage it. Currently, the only mining limiter that NVIDIA has in place is the LHR limiter, and that only affects ETH hash algorithms. So your Ethereum Classic, regular Ethereum Music, I think, I don't know, but only ETH hash algorithms. You go on it here over to what to mine. There's a lot of other algorithms: Autolycos, Kapow, Octopus, ProgPow, Kryptonite, Beam Hash, like a lot of other algorithms. Yeah, they might not be as profitable, but you could still mine. There's still a lot of mining available. So I don't know. It's just one of those things. You got to look at an article like this and laugh because that's really all there is to it. Anyway, guys, don't want to hold y'all up. Thanks for coming out. It's been fun. It's been real. I don't know if it's been real fun, but I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and drop your comments down below. Do you think Ethereum mining, or GPU mining is gonna make a comeback anytime soon? I guess Ethereum mining is technically not gonna make a comeback because it's going proof of stake. But do you think GPU mining isn't gonna make a comeback? I guess it's not because it never left. How can it make a comeback if it never left? Right? Logic. Anyway, I changed up, by the way, I changed up my sound settings on my mic, and I'm trying to talk with like a more normal voice. So let me know down below, do you like the new sound setup or should I go back to what it was before? Because I'm not sure. So yeah, let me know. Anyway, guys, for real, it's been fun. It has been real. And now it's been real fun. Later, guys. Peace. Adios.